Welcome back, guys, to Introduction to Invented Drawing, problem sheet number 1, part number 8, the chamfered block. Just before I get started, a few people noticed and made a comment that in part number 7, the beveled block, towards the end I forgot to go through the process of saving. Thank you for letting me know that, and good pick up, guys. I hope everybody's on the ball about that, and I hope you did manage to save your work before closing down. Okay, on with today's tutorial. So part 8, chamfered block. Going to go through the same process as we always do at the start. So we're going to go up to the top left for new. Going to go metric, standard part, create. Got our workspace. Going to go back up to the top left hand corner to 2D sketch. Select a surface, in this case the XZ plane. This time I'm going to use the line tool again and come over to our origin. Wait till the origin goes green, click and drag up. So getting my general shape, making sure I've got 90-degree angles where I need to have 90-degree angles, and back to the origin. Going to my dimension, so this is the same as what we did with part number 7. So I'm going to grab from that edge to that edge, drag down and check. Our measurement's going to be, in this case, 30. So open up our dialog box, type in 30, enter, go up to our home square top, click on the middle of it so it goes back to our image. Going to collect that point from the end to the face, up to the top, open up our dialog box, and according to our measurements we have 20 millimeters there. Enter. So that's done. And then lastly we're going to go from top to bottom, out to the side, and again 20 millimeters there. Enter. So we have it all dimensioned up from top to bottom. Notice this time that edge has not gone blue, so therefore it's not dimensioned, it's not constrained yet, and I still have to do this edge here. So from that point to the bottom edge out needs to be constrained at 10. So now we've finished our dimensions. So it's all blue. We can finish our sketch. Finish our sketch. Go to the left hand side again to our extrude tool. Extrude. Check our extrusion length. In this case it's going to be 50. Type in 50. OK. Go back to our block. Click on that corner that's shaded in. Centralize it. Click on top. Just checking that our proportions look similar to what we are expecting to see from. So just checking it all over, making sure that it is what we expected to see, and it does. Now we'll go up to the eye properties menu again, come down to save as, and the keen-eyed people will notice that I have saved bevel block. I did that after I finished recording last time. So in this time we're going to put in part number 8, chamfered block. Helps if I spell Chamfered right, and save. Well, that's it for this tutorial, guys, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial, which will be part 9, the open mortise member. Okay guys, until then, bye.